Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the physical basics. Power your router or modem and inspect the Ethernet cable for damage because a bad cable wastes time. Next, plug the cable into the router LAN port and the PC Ethernet jack. You should feel a click. Once done, sign into Windows with an administrative account so you can change network settings and run diagnostics. Make sure the NIC link light is on. It indicates a physical connection and prevents chasing software issues prematurely. Once physically connected, open Settings, then Network and Internet, and select Ethernet so you can inspect the connection state. Checking here tells you whether Windows detects the link. Next, go to Change Adapter Options, right-click the Ethernet adapter and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and pick DHCP for automatic addressing, or enter the static IP, subnet, gateway, and DNS if your network needs them. Also disable Wi-Fi to avoid metric conflicts, because Windows prefers the lowest metric route and can route traffic unexpectedly. You finish by validating connectivity. Open Command Prompt, run ipconfig/all to confirm IP info, then ping the gateway and a public DNS like 8 to verify reachability. Ping success proves routing and DNS come next. If problems persist, update or reinstall the network adapter driver, restart the PC, and power cycle the router. A key troubleshooting tip: if link lights or pings fail, swap the Ethernet cable or test another switch/router port before deep software changes to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.